Welcome back to the 2025-26 school year. I am Anna Reluzco, and I am honored to serve as Interim Superintendent of Schools. Whether you're returning to our schools or joining us for the first time, I'm thrilled to have you as part of this vibrant and dynamic community. Our administrators, teachers, and staff are taking purposeful steps to ensure the best possible learning environments for all of our students. We're starting the new year step by step, paso a paso. This summer, we made substantial progress focusing our attention on leadership development, curriculum and instruction, support services, hiring, and facilities. We're building a momentum that will help propel East Ramapo to new heights, step by step, paso a paso.
We're building stronger educational support systems for our teachers, students, and staff, always keeping our learners in mind.
We have new directors to lead our ELA, math, social studies, and science departments.
Instructional coordinators in literacy and STEM.
School counselors in every elementary school, and teams of counselors in our secondary schools.
A new coordinator of culture and climate.
Step by step, paso a paso.
We're building our multilingual education department to best support our growing English language learners across the district.
We are building a team of instructional coordinators in our multilingual education department.
New bilingual teachers have joined the East Ramapo team, and we're still adding more.
We have school leaders that speak both English and Spanish, supporting our multilingual community.
Step by step, paso a paso.
We're continuing to strengthen our Pupil Personnel Services Department to provide the best possible support for our students and families.
We have a new director and an executive director of special ed.
Step by step, paso a paso.
From classrooms to cafeterias, we're making targeted investments in the facilities that need them most.
A fresh new look in our middle and high school cafeterias.
Newly paved parking lots to keep our pedestrians and motorists safe at all of our schools.
Ramapo High School's auditorium is getting a great makeover. Stay tuned.
Step by step, paso a paso.
Step by step, paso a paso.
Step by step, paso a paso.
Every step we take moves us closer to our goal of providing the best possible learning environments for our students and working environments for our dedicated employees. Here in East Ramapo, we believe in the potential of every child, and we are committed to supporting their academic growth, social emotional development, and overall well-being. I'm proud to be part of this community, and I look forward to all that we will achieve together in the coming year. Step by step, paso a paso.
Step by step,